From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Good afternoon, Kelli Rosson here in the Weather Center with your forecast update. We have a line of showers and storms that we are expecting later on this afternoon here in the Tennessee Valley. Notice the red on the screen. Those are tornado watches. Those are to our west. As these storms move into our area, the tornado threat is much lower as opposed to our west. So I want to preface that with that, but we are still expecting these lines of showers and storms to impact us later on this afternoon. I will break down everything we need to know as we head throughout the rest of tonight and even into the overnight as well. So let's go ahead and play through Futurecast. This afternoon about 2 o'clock, we see some spotty showers and maybe a storm or two, but overall mainly dry for the first part of the afternoon with temperatures topping out in the 80s once again this afternoon. By the time we get to, I'm going to call it after 3 p.m. is when we can expect that line of thunderstorms here in the Tennessee Valley. And what's going to happen is this line of thunderstorms associated with the cold front moving with it is going to kind of stall out over our area over the next 24 hours. That doesn't mean we're going to have storms over the next 24 hours, but it does mean there's a good chance for some widespread rainfall until tomorrow afternoon. So by the time we get to 5 o'clock, you see a few storms throughout the area, and we are going to see round after round throughout the evening, overnight, and into your Thursday morning. You see still widespread rainfall and a few thunderstorms continuing into Thursday afternoon as well, with temperatures much cooler. Now, we will see the cooler effects of the frontal passage, but we're still going to hold on to the moisture throughout the day on Thursday, finally drying out for Thursday night, but unfortunately more rain is expected in the forecast for your Friday throughout the day as well. So as far as the threats for tonight go, I think this is more of a lower end severe threat, especially as opposed to the last several events that we've had that were tornado driven. We are mainly concerned with this event with high wind, damaging wind, a few large hail instances, as well as heavy rainfall causing some flooding issues. We can't call the tornado threat zero, especially with a system like this, but the tornado parameters as this storm system moves into the Tennessee Valley are much lower, if not minimal. So I just want to stress again, the tornado threat is not zero, can never be zero. However, that is not the main threat. Again, the main threat that we are concerned with is damaging winds, large hail, as well as heavy rainfall leading to flooding heading into tonight and overnight. If any of these storms do become strong to severe, of course, we will be here on the air and we will let you know and walk you through those storms if that should play out for tonight. And heading into the rest of your weekend, though, again, Friday, like I said, the front still stalls out as far as the moisture goes. We're going to see some more rounds of rain for your Friday, even into Saturday morning. But by the time we get to Saturday afternoon and evening, we finally start to dry things out. And that is good because that is just in time for Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday is actually looking quite pleasant and fantastic with a mostly sunny sky expected and not much rainfall expected either. In fact, no rain is in the forecast for your Easter Sunday, and that will continue into Monday as well. So overall, we are going to end the weekend much different than we are starting it. Going to be a pretty nice one for Easter Sunday. Here's your evening planner for tonight. Again, expect showers and storms after 3 p.m. for us here in the Tennessee Valley. Those will continue pretty much on and off until Friday morning, Friday afternoon. But again, temperatures in the topping out in the 80s this afternoon, dropping down into the 70s for this evening. Widespread showers and storms expected. Just want to reiterate one more time, a few of these storms could be strong to the low end severe side. As far as a tornado threat goes, minimal, low, not zero, but minimal and low. Higher threats for damaging wind, hail, as well as heavy rainfall for tonight. So hopefully that can give you at least a little bit of peace of mind as these storms roll through, but they will be a little bit loud with some thunder as well as lightning. But here's your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Again, for your Thursday and Friday, even the first part of your Saturday, we're still expecting multiple rounds of rainfall as that front continues to work through our area. Temperatures getting down into the upper 50s for Friday and then into the lower 60s Saturday, but then warming up and clearing out for Easter Sunday under a mostly cloudy to partly cloudy sky So you are good to go for any outdoor activities on Easter Sunday. And then heading into the rest of next week, we are going to be starting a slow warming trend back up into the mid-70s by midweek with a much drier start to the week as well. Let's check out your local weather forecast. Fred is back in with you this evening for more updates.